almost non-stop today, so I thought I would share my misery with you guys. I'm gonna try reading. If I can. I'm trying to do some homework right now, so we're gonna give it a try. This is a porcupine's dilemma. Sorry. Compared with the ups and downs of a passionate love affair, the steadier, predictable rhythm of a companionate relationship offers its own special rewards. The benefits of thriving a long-term relationship include emotional security and the priceless comfort of being accepted by someone who knows your shortcomings as well as your strengths. I gotta take some I'll be back.